So next up, we're going to review the Autodesk desktop app. So the screens that we're going to be showing are for the most recent release of the application manager. If you're using the deployment wizard, you will still see some of the previous application manager just for the updates and or add-ons at the end. But for now, we're going to go ahead and let's review the newest desktop app. So this is what you're going to see when you log in. Or not when you log in, when you launch the application, it comes down on your desktop just as the previous application manager did. You have a brief overview. We'll just go over what each thing does. So we got our navigation bar on the left, and this is where you'll see the most benefit. Your first tab is going to be your updates, and this, as you can see on our screen, we just got the 3ds Max and the Autodesk Recap, and those are the only two I haven't updated yet, which is why we have just those two. But what it'll do is it's going to go through and recognize each of the programs that you have installed, and it's going to check where they are with their version, and then it'll show you what current updates are available. Now you can either scroll through the full list here, or you can go down along the side and select the products. And this is the part that we really like, because now you can actually filter all those different add-ons rather than trying to pick through that list. Next, you come over and you can sign in. You'll have account access up on the right-hand side. You click in here. This will give you access to your current account details, settings for the app, reading your privacy statement and the agreement for it, and then you also have the option to sign out. I believe the account details will actually launch your Autodesk account. Next, we have the help section. Breaks down into the Autodesk, I believe it's the web form for the help, and then it goes to Contact Us, which is the virtual agent, and then About, and that just breaks down the desktop app itself. And then finally, they have a nice little feedback section where you can actually start leaving information for, or leaving feedback for how you feel about the app, and hopefully getting a good little wish list going so that we can get this thing more streamlined than it already is. And we're pretty happy with where it's at right now. And then finally, when you pick inside each of the products, this is something that Doug's a little bit more excited about, so I'll let him go into it.
Hi. Yeah, so the Autodesk Application Manager was previously designed around getting the software to the end user's machine. The Autodesk desktop app has been redesigned to be more user-focused. So at the bottom half of the screen, you're going to see learning content for each of the releases or each of the products that are listed down the navigation bar to the side. On the upper section is going to be where the software updates are available. So as you click from the Updates tab to, say, in this example, the 3D Studio Max tab, you're going to see the updates that are only applicable to that specific release. And that's been useful for lots of customers who are trying to update, say, the collaboration for Revit. As those updates have come up, it allows you to quickly find the Revit product, and then in that sub-list find the collaboration update. So that's where the main change in this is the user interface portion.